Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 12. A new policy for the treatment of persons in police lockups and other detention facilities may be implemented early in 2015. The new administration policy for persons deprived of their liberty has been submitted for cabinet approval. It was drafted by a subcommittee of cabinet established in August to review the detention system. 3 working groups formed from that committee have been meeting since September to examine the issue of overcrowding in detention facilities, the lockup administration policy and procedures, and the infrastructure and logistics of the detention facilities. The secretariat of the subcommittee is currently putting together a report of the recommendations coming out of those working groups. This report is to be submitted to cabinet by the end of this year. National Security Minister Peter Bunting is calling on financial institutions to play a more active role in the fight against money laundering and other types of financial crimes. The minister says these institutions can support the process by providing critical information on financial transactions by suspected criminals in a timely manner.
Sometimes it takes months for the financial institutions to provide that information. Now, technically, they may be compliant if they take many months to do it, but certainly the spirit of it works to aid the criminal and frustrate the pace of the investigation.
Minister Bunting was speaking recently at the 3rd Annual Anti-Money Laundering Counter-Financing of Terrorism Conference. It was hosted by the Jamaica Bankers Association in collaboration with the Jamaica Institute of Financial Services. Government has set aside $1 million to reward schools showing academic improvement and innovation from the use of the tablet computers being issued under the Tablets in Schools pilot project. Technology Minister Philip Paulwell made the announcement on Tuesday. He was handing over 640 tablets to students at the St. Benedict's Primary School in St. Andrew.
We're going to put aside a sum of $500,000. And those schools that come out on top, each of them will get $100,000 to show that the tablets are working.
The other $500,000 will be used as the prize money for a competition in schools to select a top boy and girl who create applications with their tablets. Over 16,000 tablets have already been distributed to students under the $1.4 billion pilot project. The Jamaica Mortgage Bank, JMB, is employing innovative means of housing financing to allow more people to obtain mortgages. General Manager Courtney Winters says the JMB's model of packaging and selling significant portions of its mortgage portfolio improves liquidity by freeing up funds it can recycle to provide more mortgages.
And so I encourage especially the financial institutions that hold significant mortgages to either package these mortgages as residential mortgage-backed securities. Those mortgages can be used as an underlying security and sell to folks who are holding long-term positions such as pension plans.
Mr. Winter was addressing a recent JIS think tank. He said solving the liquidity challenge in the housing market required innovation, adding that it could have huge impact on meeting the housing demand. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has pledged Jamaica's continued support of Aliyah Atkinson in the wake of her recent history-making swim at the FINA World Swimming Championships in Qatar. In a statement to JIS News, Mrs. Simpson Miller reiterated her congratulations to Aliyah, who she called the pride of the Caribbean.
Aliyah, the entire nation of Jamaica is proud of you. Women across the world are beaming with pride. People around the globe hail you as an inspiration. Your country salutes you. I am very proud of you.
On Saturday, December 6, Aliyah became the joint world record holder for the 100-meter breaststroke. She also became the first woman of African descent to hold the world record in any swimming event in 40 years. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.